Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to add tag in YouTube Shorts in YouTube Studio. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open YouTube Studio and click on Content and click on Shorts top side and search and select your Shorts and click on Shorts and click on pencil right corner and click on more option, tag, shorts, remixing, category and more. Alright, click on add text and write text and press return and next tag, next and next. Alright, and click on back and click on save, and that's all.